going to make a three-dimensional paper pumpkin today, just like this one here. It'll stand up by itself and can decorate your table or your kitchen or wherever you want to put it. It can be any size. We've chosen to make ours like that, and that means you need to cut 6 3.5-inch pieces of orange card paper. You also need 1 piece of white paper, ordinary white paper. Apart from that, you're going to need a pencil, pipe cleaner, scissors, some green felt, glue stick. That's about it, isn't it?
And your needle
thread.
Thread.
Oh, and a little bit of needle thread to finish off. Okay. So to start, we're going to make these shapes. So I'm going to make a template. So my little bit of 3.5-inch paper, white paper, I'm going to fold it down the middle, and then I'm going to fold it again, like that. And just be careful when you fold that you line it up quite well. Now I'm going to draw the shape, the basic shape of the pumpkin. So find out where the side is, where it's kind of joined together, the fold, and then draw up and right down. If you use a pencil, it's probably better because you can rub out the lines after if they happen to show. And then we'll cut this out. I'm going to cut just inside the line. When you cut, be careful, either cut on the line or just inside the line, and cut them all the same because you really do want them to be the same shape. But when you start gluing, and back down there. Now, the reason I folded it over twice was that to make sure it's exactly the same top and bottom. You don't have to fold it out again, you can just use it like that. Now, Sheila, you have some
I have
piece.
a template cut out here already. And
so if you take one of your orange pieces of paper and fold it over, again line it up very well. Run your fingers down. Now line up that fold with the fold on the one that you've just cut. Now, be quite thorough when you do that. And then get your pen again and draw around. And cut it out. So you can see now cutting just inside the line. It will save me rubbing out any lines afterwards. And it opens up like that. Now I have some here that I've cut earlier on. Sheila, if you want to keep cutting there, you can make one of your own, and I'll just make up this one here.
That's grand.
Now we're going to do a bit of gluing. So I have 6 pieces, and they all look like that. And I'm going to fold this one over, get my glue stick, tap off, and glue one of the outsides. All the way up, all the way down, and then get another one and line it up with the first one. Now you might have to tweak it a little bit, so you really want it to be one covering the other one exactly. Now you have 2 there, so fold them over again, same thing, glue around it, get another one, put it on. Hold it up and you can slide it into place to make it line up exactly. Okay, a little bit of extra glue there. It's okay. Same thing again. You have to get all 6 pieces on. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, one more I think. So I'll open it up that way now. We're going to have to put glue on both sides. In fact, I'll put it on this one, make it easier. It's the last one to go on.
This is the longest bit, Maria, really, just cutting out the little shapes.
Yeah, once you have them done, you're ready to go. Now you're going to stick that on both sides and just line them up. This should now stand by itself. And it does. Yeah, great. Now that's step
great.
1. Yeah. Now you're going to get pipe cleaner. And I have a little bit of felt here. I've cut out, there's a couple of different colours here. You just, whatever you happen to have handy. And I'm going to just put 1 stitch. Add it to the end of my pipe cleaner. Start from the back, hide the knot. Down around. Go one more time. Tie it off.
Leave your stalk ready.
There's my leaf and my stalk. And now there should be, hopefully, a little bit of a hole in the centre of that. If there isn't, I think that's going to be too long. I'll just cut that off. We'll see, can we get it in through the middle? Yeah.
Perfect.
It just fits in like that. And then you can bend it into shape. Whatever shape you want it to be. So,
That's lovely, Maria, isn't it?
3-dimensional paper pumpkins. Can you imagine them by that size? It would be quite nice
Good.
as well. And you could have more, well I call them petals, but I know pumpkins doesn't have petals, but Irish
So you
ones.
can make them as big as
You
you
can
like.
make them big as you like, with as many segments as you wish. Okay.
Great.
Have fun.
Take
See you
care.
soon. Bye-bye.